pretty brown eyes, they all know you and they want you. I know they need you in their life, but you my vibe tonight, and I love you. Baby, don't try to act like.
Good morning, glitter bars. I'm back with another video. So today I'm doing a handcuff challenge on my little sister. She don't know that, but it's gonna happen. We are doing the 24-hour handcuff challenge. So
I'm gonna change my clothes. You have to change. You have to
put it on my arm. If I could just get the damn thing on.
You're innocent. I wanted to do the right thing.
Got it on. Let's go.
I have to use the bathroom. No. This is what I gotta deal with.
Get that.
Get my the handcuff.
Oh my god.
You're making my arm hurt.
I gotta wipe my ass with this hand.
No, you don't. Don't do it. Don't wipe it. Don't wipe your hand with that hand. I'm not putting my hand down there. That's not what's about to happen.
I can't wipe it with this hand. It's hot.
I don't care.
It's hot.
Well, I don't have to tell you.
I'm gonna steal it.
Help.
I gotta wash my hands.
Help.
Oh.
See this? It's uncomfortable. This is very uncomfortable. My arm hurt.
No, that was ridiculous. We've been handcuffed together since 12:49. It is now 8:52, and we are currently watching Power. Handcuffed together right now. We're cooking food for dinner. Oh, so yeah.
I can't get it.
What do you think is a global hotspot?
Look at these burgers.
Much better. There it is.
Show them your food, Keira.
This makes it easy to switch. Switching makes it easy to say.
Don't look at
These crispy tenders are so flavorful and crispy. Crispy. It's this thing I do where I combine two words to make a cooler word. I also came up with Labradoodle. You had a Labrador who could draw?
Nothing beats our new $3.99 crispy tender dinner. Hurry in and try it today.
The game's about to change on another level.
Let's go!
Battle for Star. Thursdays. We'll watch anytime on Fox Now or Hulu.
You can see that I did that, so you have to cut that out.
I want to eat.
Shot Miani. She wants a burger.
I'm not gonna eat that.
You want some fries?
No.
She got her spaghetti and meatballs in there.
This is flavor, guys. Yummy noodles. Orange noodles.
One more pot noodles. Where are they? In the refrigerator in a black bowl.
Who made a mistake coming?
Alright, you guys. It is. Wait, get more in the lights.
I can't move over the light. Don't matter.
Alright, you guys. It has been, what, 17 hours since we've been handcuffed. And it is now 12:18. Show the time so you think we're not lying. It is 12:18 a.m. We have been handcuffed still. And we will see you in the morning. I'm exhausted. And yeah, we'll see you in the morning when this is over. Because I'm tired. Now we gotta sleep together. Alright. We'll see you in the morning, glitter barbs. We love you. Good night. Good morning, glitter bars. We just woke up. listen.
No, we did not. Don't say it's just woke up because we did not even.
7:15 in the morning. And we're almost done with this 24-hour challenge. Glitter bars, we just woke up. The time is 7:15 a.m. and we are almost done with this freaking 24-hour challenge. My arm is hurting. I don't know about you, but my wrist hurts. Good afternoon, glitter barbs. We are finally done with this 24-hour challenge. It is 3:41 and we are done. I get to get away from this chick.
Do it to me.
Oh my God.
Do it to me.
When I tell you that has been the most hardest challenge ever in my entire life. Like, I've never been wanting to get away from somebody for so long, being stuck with them for 24 hours. It's annoying. You gotta pee, you gotta eat, and you can't even eat. You gotta walk with them everywhere you go. I had to watch her play this stupid game she was on. Like, it was annoying. It was annoying. But although we had fun doing this challenge, and I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget, comment, like, and subscribe. And I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye. Say bye to glitter barbs.
God.
Came through drippin', drip, drip. Came through drippin', drip, drip. Came through drippin', drip, drip.